is it I have written here? Probability of an event is equal to, okay, so number of favorable by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so this is the formula to find the probability of an event. Event ante getting an even number. Okay, so getting an even number when you roll a die, so that is also an event. Okay, getting 3, so when you roll a die, or getting head when you toss a coin. So all these are events. So the probability of those events will be found using with this formula. Will be finding that. So very simple. See here, number of favorable outcomes by total possible outcomes. Okay, just tell that what is the probability of an event. Tell, come on, repeat. Probability of an event. P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes by total. So these are, E means here event, S means here sample space. Already I told you before itself, sample space means what? Total possible outcomes. What are the chance we have? Complete outcomes. So that number is called as N of S. And event, I told you, event it may be asked anything. Okay, getting an odd number, getting an even number, getting a 3. Okay, when you roll a die, or getting a head, getting a tail, all this comes under events. So in that, how many we got? That is the number N of E by N of S. Okay, so simply if you remember this formula, it is enough. So probability of an event is equal to N of E by N of S. So this is the formula to find the probability of an event. So for this also, so if you remember this recently, so in the orientation program we were taught this. So to easily remember this, okay, so probability, definition of the probability, how to, because you may get a doubt, pi of favorable outcomes are given. Okay, sometimes you may get a doubt like this while writing the formula. You may write total outcomes by number of favorable outcomes. So better like try remember how I have asked you to remember like anadalu. Okay, like that. So to because this formula is very important now. Whatever the problem asked, how it is asked, forget about that. First you need to mention the formula, because for formula it carries the marks. Okay, first you need to write the formula. So therefore, how to remember this formula? So we have one simple code language, that is photo. Okay, F means favorable, O means outcomes by total possible outcomes. This is how you can remember the formula. There won't be any confusion. Okay, further. So whether favorable is in the numerator or denominator, so you need not have that confusion. Simply remember this probability formula. Another name remember, call it photo. Okay, that means favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Okay, so now one simple problem I'll take and I'll show you how to solve the probability problems. Okay, suppose